$1,605. Hey, that's why we love this event right here, right now. Rock and roll with the Rock and Rollin' K-Man. Got his K-tone blaster horns here, so you got to take the long way around right here, right now. Hey, we have a winner. I just love it when they're standing right there. What? Yeah. Hey, rock and roll with Rock and Rollin' K-Man. Hey, here's something. There's a message we're going to send to all you young ladies out there. This is from Mr. Carl Perkins. Hey, let's put your cat clothes on, baby.
Got to rockin' with a rhythm, run 'em over at the hill. Put your cat clothes on, 'cause tonight we're gonna really rock it right. Yeah, kitty, put your cat clothes on, 'cause tonight we're gonna really rock it.